Hi dear traders, I'm Maria Stradup and this is the review of crypto analytics from FxCo. It's the 30th of December today, Friday. It's the last review of this year. We will see each other only next year already. But as we all know, cryptocurrencies have neither holidays nor days off. So today, as usual, we will speak first about news from crypto world, and then we will observe technical picture for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll find out what to expect from both cryptocurrencies the next couple of days. Let's start. And we will start with news and article by Irina Yanina. So, the contentious debate between gold and Bitcoin continues to rage, and now billionaire Mark Cuban drawing the eye of gold investors with his latest comment about the precious metal. Thus, speaking on comedian Bill Mayer's Club Random podcast, the entrepreneur and NBA Dallas Maverick owner said some harsh things about gold investors, adding that he is very supportive of Bitcoin. He explained that while gold is a form of savings, it's neither a safe nor a protected asset, in his opinion. But Bitcoin is a means of saving and is also protected by a digital registry. He also noted that gold itself is mostly a digital asset, since few investors own the physical metal. And many people, let's say, didn't appreciate his opinion. Peter Schiff, Chief Market Strategist at Euro Pacific Asset Management, was among them. And he said on his Twitter, his lack of understanding of Bitcoin is only exceeded by his lack of understanding of gold. He proves that you don't have to understand money to make it. And Peter Schiff once again confirmed his opinion that he's even more optimistic about gold now than before, because inflation is still far from peaking. So many men, so many minds. And now let's move on to technical picture, and we will start with Bitcoin and the article by Ralph Shedlam. So, what's happening to Bitcoin in the end of the year and in the end of the week? It rebounded in the short term and was trading at 16,623 at the time of writing. The article was written yesterday's evening. So after its last drop, Ralph says a rebound was natural. Still, a bias remains bearish, so a deeper drop is in cards. It could only test and retest the near-term resistance levels before dropping again. If we look at the chart, Bitcoin dropped within a down channel pattern. It has found support on the descending pitchfork's lower median line, and it was just turned to the upside. Now it has reached the channel's resistance. As long as it stays below it, the cryptocurrency could develop a new sell-off. And the high of 16,650 represents an upside obstacle as well. So Ralph's forecast is following testing and retesting the downtrend line. False breakouts could announce a new bearish movement. The median line stands as a downside target. Taking out the downtrend line and making a new high indicates further growth, at least towards the upper median line. Well, let's have a look at the chart for the moment. It's 30th of December and Bitcoin opened today at the point 16,629 and it started to slightly decline. And now, the moment of the publication, it is trading at 16,532. Okay, and now let's move on to Ethereum and another article by Ralph Shalom. So, at the 1 hour chart, Ethereum is trading in the red at 1,192. And the price developed a bearish pattern. Still, the altcoin moved somehow sideways in the short term. So we'll have to wait for a fresh opportunity, Raf says. As you can see on the chart, Ethereum escaped from the rising wedge pattern, but it found support on the 1,182 former low. It retested the weekly pivot point of 1,201, which stands as an upside obstacle. Technically, as long as it stays below the upper median line of the major descending pitchfork, Ethereum could drop deeper as the bias remains bearish. So the forecast is following Ethereum seems undecided in the short term. Still, a valid breakdown below 1,182 could open the door for more declines. Okay, let's have a look at the chart for the moment. And today, 30th of December, Ethereum opened at the point 1,199 and along with Bitcoin, it started to decline, slightly decline. And now, at the moment of the publication, it is trading at 1,192. Okay, this is all for today. We will see each other next year in our next review on Monday. I wish you a happy new year and, of course, profitable trading as usual. And I will be glad to see your comments and questions down below. See you next time. Goodbye.